Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send your location in the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the chats button down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that you should select the chat. Then click on the plus icon down below in the left side corner of the screen. Slide to the right side and click on location. Here you should select your location on the map. You can use your fingers to zoom in and out and search for the location, then click on it. Hold your finger on it and click on this arrow pointing up to send your location, but you also have the chance to type in the address into the search bar and click on the results, and you can also send the location the same way. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.